All right, boys and girls, so you have a benchmark in 2 days, and we've been using lots of graphic organizers to write and to organize our thinking. So I wanted to show you how you can make your own graphic organizers with 2 blank sheets of paper, which you all will get on the benchmark. So go ahead and set your 2 blank sheets of paper out in front of you, and we'll start with the first one. So the first one, go ahead and draw your little topic right there. And that's the who or what are we writing about. And if you remember, you can go ahead and write who, what, but it's not that urgent. Then you've got your 2 topics. And you'll decide, obviously, after you write them, which one's your dessert. So you might want to just draw a little dessert to go ahead and remember that. I'll give you a minute to catch up. And after you do that, you quickly draw a long rectangle like this. You split it in half. Then you split this one in half. Then you split this one in half, and looky there. You've got your text structure. And there's your first planning page. Easy peasy. Now you're going to flip this one over. Don't go to your new one, just flip this one over. And really what you'll see is you have 4 planning pages. If you need to pause, go ahead and do that, but I'm going to move on. Alright, so on the back of this is where you're going to have 4 boxes. The easiest way to do this is to fold it in half right here, hamburger. So go ahead and fold your paper in half, hamburger. Make your nice crease in it. And it should look like this, where the red symbolizes the half fold. Then open it and fold it hot dog. And once you have that, you now have 4 boxes. So I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to get your 4 boxes from your folds. And then I'm going to show y'all something really cool. So we've been doing safe, but I want to do something that's a little bit easier for y'all that may help you all with your writing. So instead, what I want you to do is I want you to write Isa and a star. Now, this is going to be your everyone. This is going to be your some others. This is going to be your ask target questions. And this is your central idea. Now I want you to pause. I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to write this, and as you're writing it, I want you to think about why we changed the order of our safe writing. So the reason that we changed the order of our safe writing is that now it's already in order for your text structure. So you have, when you do your text structure, either in your first box you're going to have your everyone, then your some others, or your ask target questions and your central idea, or you might do them in reverse, but they're already in order. So that makes it easier for you all. So on the back of this, you're going to set your white paper up like that. Now go to your second sheet, and I'll show you how to make your last 2 pages that you can use for the benchmark. So this one's going to be your topic 1. So you want to write T1, set it up there. And we always start our topic 1 with the topic sentence, which is our, I hope everyone said, main idea. Keep it short and sweet. I don't want a big juicy one. I just want, if you're writing about how your mom is helpful with your homework, my mom always helps me with my homework. Don't get too elaborative because then it makes it really hard to add your details, which is what comes next. So you can write your D for your detail. After our detail, we're going to extend that detail, and this is our sign for extension. Then we're going to have an example of that. Then we're going to extend that example. Then your clincher. Ta-da! You have your own planning page. You don't even need a printed graphic organizer. You've just drawn it in about a minute. Now the second one, you flip this over. It's just as easy. The only thing we're going to do differently is we're going to add an ice cream cone. So our topic 2 is our dessert. We draw this to remember that we need to write a dessert transition on that topic sentence. Best of all, most important, the best part about any of them, think of them, there's millions. So we start with a topic sentence, remember, short and sweet. We give a detail about that. We're going to extend that detail to give our reader more specific, juicy details. Then we give an example. We're going to extend that example so that our reader has a really vivid picture of what you're talking about. Then we close out our paragraph with our clincher. Ta-da! You now have this. So your 4 pages of planning are done, and now you use these on your benchmark to write. And tomorrow I'll do an anchor charts video so that you all can see this a little bit closer, but I recommend you taking 2 blank sheets of paper home and practicing this again before the benchmark. All right, have a great day.